This question is from GATE 2012, Mechanical Engineering paper, question number 15. A CNC vertical milling machine has to cut a straight slot of 10 millimeters width and 2 millimeters depth by a cutter of 10 millimeter diameter between points 0, 0 and 100, 100 on the XY plane. Dimensions are in millimeters. The feed rate used for milling is 50 millimeter per minute. Milling time for the slot in seconds is dash. So on this XY plane, we can see that the milling machine has to travel from the point 0, 0 to the point 100, 100 somewhere here in order to make the cut. Now, irrespective of the cut width and cut depth, the travel time of machine T will be found out by taking distance traveled by the tool, let it be small d, divided by the speed of the tool. So speed at which it is traveling is nothing but the feed rate, let that be F, which is already given to us. So to find out the distance traveled by the tool, we need to find out the distance along this red path, which is nothing but, let this be OA. We have OA equal to root over. This distance is 100. This is also 100. So in the right angle triangle OA, let this point be B. In the right angle triangle OBA, we have OA, the hypotenuse, will be equal to under root OB square plus AB square. That is 100 square plus 100 square. Under root of 100 square plus 100 square. So OA comes out to be 141.421 millimeters. We have the distance small d, 141.421 millimeters. But feed rate F is given as 50 millimeters per minute. And we need to find the travel time in seconds. So we'll convert this feed rate to millimeter per second. We have 50. To convert minute into second, we need to multiply by 60 in the denominator. So we have divided by 60. This comes out to be 5 by 6. Let's find out T. T is nothing but 141.421 is the distance traveled upon feed rate is 5 by 6. This when calculated in the digital calculator, we get 169.7 seconds, which is almost equal to 170 seconds. Let's go back and mark the correct option. The milling time or the travel time for the tool from 0, 0 to 100, 100 in order to make the cut is nothing but 170 seconds, option B. To learn about CNC machines, you can refer to the NPTEL video, lecture 37, CNC machines and interpolation from the course Automation in Manufacturing. This course is by Dr. Shri Krishna N. Joshi. He is from Mechanical Engineering Department of IIT Guwahati. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.